Every day, each of us come into contact with millions of molecules which directly or indirectly affect our lives. They can have a direct influence on our health, they can spoil our mood like bad scent, but they are crucial for our well-being. Each of us can name at least a couple of them: water, oxygen, nitrogen. However, how about molecules which we don't see, which still are present in very low quantities, and we cannot be aware of them without proper tools? As a chemist, I can tell you that I can identify more than 200,000 molecules using really expensive, fancy equipment. And worldwide, people like me spend more than $22 billion on their analysis. And still, you could say that we are not doing a really great job, since more than 12 million people worldwide are dying because we didn't find certain molecules in the environment. We didn't identify a danger on time. However, we cannot be everywhere. You cannot have your pocket chemist with you wherever you go. You don't know as well how often you have to collect your samples to identify a danger. So, with me and my team, we came up with an idea. We developed a technology. We thought how each of us could perform tests in a reliable fashion in such a way that we can label, give the number to chemicals which are inaccessible with our senses, and understand the answer which can directly affect us. So in simple words, how does it work? We have paper tests in the cartridges, which is the size of my thumb. You can take a look here, really small. We have a concentrator technology which contributes to increase limit of detection of different molecules, and we develop platform which can perform tests, acquire data, and interpret it, because we develop a software which can facilitate this process. So essentially, by having our solution coming to life, everybody will be able to have your chemist in your pocket. Thank you for your attention.
How do you calibrate all the samples with all the data you need?
So in our test, dependently on the test, we include the calibrations. So we add a standard to our tests. Hence, we can identify not only what chemical, but as well we can restrict the concentration range.
Can you say something about the sensitivity of your method?
So that's strongly dependent on a test. Of course, I cannot compare my technology with really high-end solutions, but for many chemical parameters, it's reachable with our elevated colorimetric tests.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yeah, let's change. Thank you.